Hi you guys, my name is Farmer Kim and I love school gardens, and I'm so excited that you have a school garden. Right now it's the first of the year and we start planting again. It's go time. Even though it's cold outside, we start planting our spring crops. And the first thing we always start with is onions. Onions come in three colors: red, yellow, and white. And so the red ones are usually used for like salads and sandwiches. The yellow ones, that's my favorite. They're sweeter. I use it a lot for cooking, and white ones are used for cooking too. But they are delicious, nutritious, and they're a staple in everybody's kitchen. Everybody has them. This out in the outside peel is the skin, and the skin protects it until you're ready to use it. So it's important to keep those on. But when we start planting onions, we use things called onion slips. And this is the white. Here's the yellow. Here's a bunch of red. These are called a set of onions, okay? So a set has, I don't know, maybe like 60 onions in each. It's not a seed. It's a seed that already sprouted. Farmers started them, and then they have little bulbs that you plant in the ground. So they're called onion slips. Now let's talk about the parts of an onion. Let me get a good one. So these are the roots, and remember the roots go down. I have seen people plant them like this, and that's not going to work. But the roots always go down. You can tickle your face with them. But the roots are what do they do? They do three things. They suck up water, they hold the plant in place, and they bring nutrients, which is food, the science word for food, to the plants. This is the stem, and the stem works like an elevator where nutrients and water go up and down throughout the plant. The leaves, onions are called blades, but that's the leaf. The leaves get sun and air and water from the sky, and they make their food. It's a process called photosynthesis. So that's the parts of the onion and the plant parts that they use. So what you do when you plant onions is you plant it in a straight row. So you guys are going to go to your garden and do this. And so you do it every 3 inches, you plant one every 3 inches. So an inch is about this distance on your finger. Did you guys know that? That's about an inch. And you want them about 3 inches apart. So you can use your fingers to measure between each slip that you plant, or you could use a ruler or a yardstick or something like that. So every 3 inches, you're going to take your finger and make a hole down to the second knuckle. So I'll kind of show you here what it looks like. So we go down and just twist, twist, twist. Your soil should be pretty damp. You're going to get your finger dirty. It's okay. But you don't have to dig your whole hand in it, just your finger. Remember the root part, this part right here, and it's an onion slip. You slip it in the ground, and then you press it together and make it stand up nice and tall. And ta-da, there you go. It doesn't need a lot of water. It needs just not that much heat. It is cold right now, but they're fine. Even if it snows, they'll be fine too. But you guys are going to get onion slips that you're going to go out and plant in your garden. And then they'll be ready in May. So happy gardening, have fun, be fun, and enjoy your onions.